Hey everyone, welcome back to the Lingo Flamingo. Today we're diving into the world of actions happening right now. Let's get our present continuous power on! So, how do we build these present continuous sentences? It's actually quite simple. We use the helping verb be, am is are, plus the present participle of the main verb, which usually ends in ing. For example, I am eating breakfast. She is talking on the phone. They are playing outside. This is in the positive sentence. What about the negative one? For the negative sentence, we add no after the verb to be. For example, I am not eating breakfast. She is not talking on the phone. They are not playing outside. Now that we know the form, let's explore some common situations where the present continuous shines or the usage. The present continuous tense is all about actions happening now or around the moment of speaking. It's perfect for describing things that are happening right at this very moment. Use it for things unfolding right before your eyes. For example, I am listening to you explain grammar. Ongoing or temporary situations. For example, we are studying English this summer. We are building a sandcastle. Or she is visiting her grandparents this week. Actions in progress or changing states. For example, she is learning to play the guitar. My hair is getting longer. Don't confuse the tenses. All right, a quick heads up. The present continuous can sometimes be confused with the present simple tense. The present simple describes habits, routines, and general truths that happen regularly. For example, present simple. I eat breakfast every morning at 8 a.m. Habitual action. Present continuous. I am eating breakfast right now. Action happening now. The present continuous emphasizes things happening now or around the moment of speaking, while the present simple is for general ongoing actions. Practice makes it perfect. Choose the correct verb form, present participle, to complete the sentence in the present continuous tense. She watched a movie right now. A watches, B is watching, C watched they not play tennis this weekend. A aren't playing, B don't play, C didn't play. 3. We usually/eat dinner at 7 p.m. A usually eat, B are usually eating, C usually ate for. I learn a new language this year. A learn, B am learning, C learned. Pause the video and try to answer. Here are the answers. All right, everyone, that's all you need to know to master the present continuous. Remember to practice using it in your daily conversations and writing. If you have any questions or need more examples, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English learning fun.